morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, whenever you are watching. We greatly appreciate it. Mallory and Scott here with Noe Lawn Care, and as promised, well, we just gonna see what's gonna happen. Trying to replace this head gasket on 18.5 Briggs old Craftsman DYT 4000 mower. And I figured while we were at it, we got air filter, spark plug, oil filter, fuel filter, and a new oil change. So let's see how this goes, huh? Well, he's a little wet. Hello. Oh, wow. Excuse me. That actually came out a lot easier than I was expecting. Well, I don't need to speak. Okay, yeah, I can speak. Ooh, no. Easy does her. Ah, come on. Darn it. I was speaking a little too soon. Alright, let's see if we can get it taken out. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's do just a hair more, just to be heavy. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, it's probably not a bad idea. It's got a little bracket that bolted right here. Alright. Yeah, let's go ahead and drain the oil first. I don't know if I'm gonna make a mess, but knowing me, I probably will. Come on. Get out of the way. There we go. Okay, we'll let that drain and get that valve cover off. Alright, oil can is wedged in, catching what little oil was in here. Valve cover is, I don't know the torque specs, but it's definitely not tight. That's not going to be the same size. Ooh, well, that one seems a little bit loose, but I don't know. I am not a mechanic. I do know that we are going to pull this guy with a 10mm. Okay. Okay, top is exhaust. Remember how that comes in and out. Bottom should be intake. A lot lighter in weight, a lot lighter in color. Don't get those mixed up. Ding, 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 ding. Uh-oh, wrong way, buddy. There we go. Oh, yeah. Holy shamoly. That could have been half of my issue right there. Goodness. Well, extension might help on that one. There we go. All right. Yeah, we're just going to lay that off to the side there. Oh, yeah, you got some bubbles there. There you go. Let me get some more. All right, now let's not drop this head. Holy moly. Okay, now we can definitely see some oil, some marking in here. I mean, I don't know. I'm not a mechanic. Does that piston look okay? Y'all tell me. Not a clue. All right, cleanup time. Let's Let's get this gasket pulled off. Let's clean up around it. Let's get ready to put the new one back on. Whew.
Hold on there, big girl. I don't know how to do valves or rocker arms or whatever, so I'm just going to do this tighten up this pair. It was not tight to begin with. Let's tighten up. We'll try that out. If not, worst case, we'll just pull off the top cover and play with it again, but that's not going to help much either, is it? Oh no, come on. There ain't no way that's in. Oh, yeah, maybe it is. Okay. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, let's clean that side up a little bit.
right, all right. Everything is put back together. I still have the air filter housing, which we're going to replace the air filter. We're going to change the oil and the oil filter. New spark plug. New fuel filter. And then we're going to fire it up and see if we don't blow something up. Alright. She's all buttoned up. Everything's put together. New spark plug. New air filter. New oil filter. It's dirty, but a new fuel filter and a new head gasket. Everything all together. So let's see if what I did was for the better or for the worser. All right. Cross your fingers. Well. Still smoking a little bit, but I think that's just because of oil dropping down on here. You know what I mean? It's just what's gonna happen. Everything else, knock on wood, looks okay. I see some wetness right back into there. That could be old stuff melting off. That could be brake clean. I don't really know. But it is running a little rough. I know, like I say, when we replaced that fuel pump, first off, it was a bad fuel pump. The diaphragm busted. You could see a lot of leaking and such and such. I don't know if that's the reason that it's not idling correctly, but it makes sense. So let's chalk that up as a win, boys and girls. Let's go see what it does mowing wise. So what happened was she started mowing pretty good. Still had a little bit of coughing and back and forth, but then I noticed a little bit of smoke and the starter solenoid is broken. So we are going to grab another one of those. Like I say, I'm not sure if it was the fuel pump on the sputtering, coughing, choking off side, or carburetor, I should say carburetor. That is going to be on the next video. So y'all keep your fingers crossed, man. Let's hope I know what I'm doing on this guy. I'd really like to get this thing going and driving decent, you know, put a win under my belt. Give me something to be happy about. We always appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. We'll catch you in the next one.